How to turn on auto screen on Note 15 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Additional Settings. After click on Additional Settings, click on Accessibility. After click on Accessibility, click on Physical. You will see auto rotate screen is here. If you want to turn on auto rotate screen, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, auto rotate screen is enable and turn on. After turn on auto rotate screen, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on auto screen rotate on Note 15 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.